Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to learn about the packages in R. Packages in R are the collection of functions, compile codes and sample data. They are stored in a directory called library in the R environment. By default, R only installs a set of packages during the installation process, and more packages are added later as per our need. So when we start the R console, only the default packages are available by default. So other packages that are already installed have to be loaded to be used by the R program that is going to use them. So we can see all the packages are available in this site. So we can see all the available packages in R from this site. Okay, this link is available in the description below. And okay, so we can also check where our library are also stored. Path to library. Okay, so let's check here library paths. Okay, so we can see here this is our path. So let's go to window explorer and let's paste it. Okay, yeah, so these are the library or packages. So we can see also we can list the library here by using the library function. So these are all the library functions, libraries or packages that are available to us. So this is the way. Now let's print all the packages that are currently loaded in the R environments. For this we're gonna use the R source. Source. So we can see these are the available packages that are installed. So this was the way we're gonna get the path to the library, see all the libraries, and see all the libraries that are available to us now. So let's learn about installing a new package. Okay, so to install we can directly install by using this syntax. Install dot package this, and this is the library name. Okay, install dot packages, and so this is a ESF is one of the library, so let's install it. Okay, 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 so it is trying to install. Maybe there is some version conflict. Okay, it is doing. Okay, now I think it's installed. Let's check it by loading. So you can see if there is the library ESF or not. Okay, yeah. Okay, linking to GeoSDL. Okay, I think it's installed. So let's do another one. Let's check. So let's install any of this. Okay, let's install this AKC one. Okay, install dot packages and AKC. Okay, so maybe there is version conflict, so it is trying to install. So it's trying the different URL. It is taking too much time. It is trying a different version. Okay. Okay. Now successful. Okay, many other supportive packages are also being unpacked and checked. Okay, let's see if it's working on our library. Okay, and we can use the AKC. Yeah, it's working. So we can use the library. Okay, let's see if there is library AKC or not. Okay, here it is, AKC library. Okay, so this is installed, and let's see another one. Okay, yes, yeah, is also installed. So this way we can install the packages here. So this much for now. We'll meet in the next video.